yo, you had a data scandal with Facebook and all of that. Like, yo, he is, because he's Mark Zuckerberg, that's why this thing is vibing like this. That's the honest truth. Certain presidents have had scandals in their country, and they're not even looking for them for interviews. He had that scandal and they're looking for him. So that's the vibe. You have to be truly successful before you can. So this is real bottom-up conversation. So let's just move as I try and pull out all the points out. So first and foremost, our brands are not dress rehearsals. So this is not a runway stuff. This is not exhibition. Your brand is not a stage play. Like, guys, we need to just stop that. Like, you can't take your product. I'll give an example. So the exhibition fairs, right? Let me tell you what happened in exhibition fairs. Exhibition fairs, you are exciting your senses. Designers, we have to stop that. You are exciting your senses, that's exhibition. So what does that mean? Like, oh wow, there's this new car now, it's a flying car, we'll be exhibiting at Echo Hotel, Tech Point, blah, 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 blah. So everybody goes around the car, right? And they're like, wow, this car is interesting, wow. How does it work? You want to try everything, right? And then the guy exhibiting is happy when people are like, wow, this is good, this is good, this is good. That's exhibition. You're exciting your senses. And remember, the people at the exhibition gallery, that's not your market. They are curious, they've heard about this stuff, so they want to see it. So, but what we've always done, we build products like we're about to exhibit them. How many times do you hear people tell you that I'm building this bad app? You hear that, you didn't have to build the app. So you hear that, So what we do many times is we're exhibiting for ourselves. You know that excitement when the app finally hits the app store, and even though it's just 50 downloads, you have that vibe that you've created something so great. That's fine. But you know, we need to move beyond that, what we call dress rehearsals. What you're still trying to say, you know what, there's a button that's falling, there's a pin we need to nick here. You get that kind of vibe. Move beyond that and understand that your brand, your product, whatever it is, your platform, it is not a dress rehearsal. It's not an exhibition. So enough of feeding our egos. Enough. We're the ones who don't stay in jobs more than 2-3 months. We're the ones who resign from jobs we're the ones who get paid and don't return clients' calls. You know us, right? We're the ones that have that van. We're the ones who delay jobs. So it comes with our gift set, and that's fine. You know, we can't fight it too much, and it's global. So it's fine, right? But what's important is that you need to make sure that this time around, we're not feeding ego, because you're spending your lifetime building on something that must work, that must yield. So it's not about my ego. It's not about, oh, I'm walking on the wrong way, and I'm saying, hi, Uche, that's my dress. And then people, look at it, that's not your market. Calvin Klein, Armani, they know that even when they run their clothes on runway, that's not their market. If you don't have a vault for when you're not the boss, because that time is going to come, you can't sustain. That's what killed Inyanya. There are people now that go on tours, and they're not looking at just making money, they're looking at just being relevant. You have to have that vault. And if you do not have that, why is IntoSwitch still king? Those guys, they make profit more than many banks in this country. Banks that have over 300 branches nationwide, they just have four damn buildings on a damn street. That's the power. They run monopoly for almost 6 to 7 years, but they built a vault. They kill stories you don't hear about. Why is Facebook now the bully? The bully in Snapchat. Read up, just try always to Google tech entrepreneurship startup stories. That's the point. In Silicon, Facebook is just the bully. Because they have a vault. And the vault is not just money. Uber would have been gone if it wasn't Uber. Some people don't even get the second chances, like Chloe and Co in Big Brother. So, do you ever wonder when you watch those things on Big Brother, you're wondering like, you are the client and they are the brand. You're seeing what they're not seeing. And you're wishing, oh damn, I wish they know there's no eviction this week. That's patronage. Because you're seeing what they're not seeing. They are there in their world. That's your damn market. So you need to be that viewer to be heavy enough to design effectively, to build effectively. Otherwise, we'll keep wasting. Right? This next.
Wow.
So I won't finish this slide, it's obvious, but let's just talk about it, get the right point and get the vibe. Right? So the ingredients, relevance, availability, affordability, ease is equals to patronage. Let me throw one more shade. Where is Party Jollof?
Good. Ziko.
What's up?
Good.
I didn't say that one. I didn't say that one because I'm on record and I didn't say your train shades to your friends, but they are the best people to shade. Because they're your friends, they will need you, they won't kill you. So you are still alive together. But that's the truth. Building constantly is hard. It is hard, but it's possible. Look at it. You get funding. Instant. Boom. To be honest, every major fund confuses. And these are the guys that have talked about it, confuses. You have a major uptake or a major contract. You have major sign-ups. Your processes, your frameworks, your templates, they would help you constantly. Focus on these things. What really are your processes? Whether you're running a business or just you as a one guy, you have to have. Because this is what would, it's like consistently sending email newsletters, expanding your email database, just consistently. As I said, you're good at one thing, you're constant at it. That's where your growth is going to come from. But many a times, we as designers, we're looking for that instant. We're looking for that, oh, I got $5 million, boom. How many of these businesses can you really, I really ask these questions, can you really, processes are important. Frameworks, we do not have them. Now Facebook they push updates to us. Before I even click update my Facebook, it's pushed to you already.